Hey guys, as always, here are the most anticipated earnings releases for the upcoming week. For Monday, I think Jinko and maybe I think that's it. I don't really think there's anything else. As far as like right here, I mean, on Tuesday we got Chewy, we got GameStop, which is probably the most important one of this whole week. We got AutoZone. I mean, eh. On Wednesday we do have Adobe, which I'll probably play. I do like Adobe, but if anything, I'll swing trade. I don't know. On Thursday we got Costco, which I do think will absolutely like fucking kill it because it's Costco and they have their new China stores upcoming. So they have I think one store already open in China, and I think they're opening another one currently. And as far as I know, actually my old president actually from my older company actually went to China when they first opened their Chinese store, and it was a fucking massacre. He said it was the most craziest thing. Chinese people love fucking Costco, and he's like, I don't know why, but Chinese people love fucking Costco. And on Friday we have what the fuck is Friday, man? I can't even see that shit. Freeway insurance, shit. I didn't even know freeway insurance was live. But yeah, Costco is probably the better play here. Also Adobe. But again, we are in a weird time right now. So I mean, even if they kill, earnings by like 1,000%, they might completely just get shot down.